Meaning of flypaper.
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 Flypaper. Flypaper typically refers to a sticky paper that is used to trap flying insects. The adhesive quality of the paper causes insects to become stuck, immobilized, and unable to fly away. The term flypaper can also be used more broadly to describe any situation or circumstance that entraps or seduces someone into a difficult or unpleasant situation that they cannot easily escape from. In this sense, flypaper functions as a metaphor for being caught in a sticky and inescapable situation.